In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Pakistan. So in order to do this, first go and open up the Revolut app. Then what you want to go and do is click on payments in the bottom. From here, click on plus in the top right. Now here, click on send international. Then for the destination country, you want to go and select Pakistan. So simply type in Pakistan and click on it. So then right here, simply going to choose how much you would like to send and choose what balance you want to pay it with. So for me, it's set to my main euro balance, which is what I want to do. Then for the transfer method is basically how the person will receive the money in Pakistan. So I have chosen a bank account, but there are a few more options. But after picking that, just go and click on continue in the bottom. And one piece of advice that I do have is that if you are sending the money on the weekend, you will most likely get lower fees if you wait until Monday. So if it's possible, send the money from Monday to Friday, since on the weekend the fees are usually higher. So then after clicking continue, you will need to provide some details about your recipient, such as their bank account details if you chose a bank account, and their full name. Then just go and confirm that you would like to send that money and make sure you have enough in your Revolut balance. If you don't, then first you will need to deposit it into your Revolut balance, and then you can send it from Revolut to Pakistan. So now you know how to send money from Revolut to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.